Welcome, my dear students. Welcome back. And today's session, as you all know, in the previous session, we have been discussing the maps, and maps is one of the important topic of Boolean algebra because, as you know, the weightage of this chapter increase ಆಗಿದೆ 13 marks ಇಂದ 16 marks ಗೆ ಒಂದು to the earlier previous year and all there was one 5 mark question and a 5 mark question definitely maps ಇಂದಾನೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು but this year you will also have two 5 mark question and I expect we can expect one 5 mark question from K maps. So let's get started. And in the previous session we had discussed how we can write or how we can represent a min-term truth table into maps. So simplification we have not yet started. We have just started, like we will be simplifying, as we know that simplification of Boolean expression using there are two methods, simplification ಅಥವಾ minimization ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ two methods ಇದೆ. One is algebraic method and the other one is the K map method. So ನಾವು simplification start ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ previous session ಅಲ್ಲಿ. We just discuss how ಒಂದು truth table represent ಆಗಿರೋದನ್ನ how we can represent it to the maps. So previous class we discussed the general K map for two variables for SOP expression or minterms. So today's class we will be learning how we can simplification if possible, and before that we will be learning how we can represent the 3 variable and 4 variables using K maps. So let's get started and let's check out how we can represent or write a general K map for 3 variables, and if possible, if time permits, 4 variable na ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದಂತ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. So let's see. Just let us recall, as we will be representing a, as you can see here we are representing x and here we are representing, so this way we are representing y. So x can be 0, y can be 0, x can be 1, y can be 1. As we know that in truth tables, as we know that this we are representing, here we are representing rows ali we are representing x, columns we are representing y. As we know that x and y are the logic variable, it can be 0 or 0 ಅಥವಾ 1 ಇರಬಹುದು. So 0 ಆದರೆ we will be representing with x bar. So 1 ಇದ್ರೆ we are representing it with the variable itself. Here also we are representing y bar and y. So x can be 0, y can be 0, so it will be x bar, y bar. So x can be 0, y can be 1, so it will be x bar, y. X can be 1, y can be 0, so it is represented as x, y bar. And x can be, as you can see here, x can be 1 and y is also 1. So we are representing x, y. Similarly, here representing the combination of 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. So min term will be, designated term will be m0, m1, m2, m3. So you follow the method what I explained. ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಬರ್ಸಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ವ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ದಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫಾಲೋ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಫಾಲೋ ದಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. So let us see the 3 variable, how we can represent a 3 variable minterm or SOP in K map. So let's get started and let's see how we can do this. First, let us write the truth table. 3 variable truth table ತಗೋಣ. As we know that 3 variable x, y, z ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 2 to the power of 3. 2 to the power of 3 is 8. So there will be total 8 inputs ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So here we will be representing x, y, z. So here min terms and this will be the designated terms. So now we should take the input values. For z we can take 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. We know how to draw the truth table. Y will, I am repeating it. So y will be 2 zeros, 2 ones, 2 zeros, 2 ones. X will be 4 zeros, and 4 ones. So min term will be x bar, all 3 variables are 0. So x bar, y bar, z bar, x bar, y bar, z, x bar, y, z bar, x bar, y, z, x, y bar, z bar, x, y bar, z, x 1 ಇದೆ, so we can write x, y is 1, you can put y, z is 0, you can put z bar, then you can put x, y, z because all are 1. The designated term will be, so m0, m1, m2, m3, m4, 5, 6 and m7. So as you can see on the screen, we have 3 variable truth table. The 3 variables we have taken is x, y and z. x, y, z ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 to the power, each one can take 2 inputs, that is 0 and 1. So 2 to the power of 3 and 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 8. There can be 8 possible input values. And minterms, as you know, how we can, minterm is nothing but product of all literals. All literals andre illi literals x, y, z. Literals are nothing but the logic variables. Adu x, y, z ಇದೆ. Then 0 idre x bar ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, 1 idre the variable itself. So then designated terms, it starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are totally m0 to m7, that is 8 terms. ನಾವು ಈಗ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ 3 ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬೈನರಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸು, ಮಿನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸು, ಡೆಸಿಗ್ನೇಟೆಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪಿಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ಹೌ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್. ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಗೇನ್. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾಪಿಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಸೊ ಬೈನರಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಮಿನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಡೆಸಿಗ್ನೇಟೆಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಮೂರನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾಪಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಟೋಟಲಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಮಿನ್ ಟರ್ಮಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಅಂದರೆ 8 ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. 8 ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ಸ್ನ ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾಪಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಪಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಹೋಪ್ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. ಸೊ 3 ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ 8 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ ಈ ಥರ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So there will be 8 squares. So as you can see, we have a K map. This K map is little different from the previous one. Previous K map had only 4 squares. Each square represented one min term. As we were using two variables. ಎರಡು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಇದ್ರೆ 4 min terms ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 2 to the power of 2 is 4. ಅದೇ ತರ 3 variables. Now we are writing a general K map for 3 variables. If there are 3 variables, there is a possibility of 8 combination of values. So 8 combination of values ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 8 combination of values ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಈ ತರ represent ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So there will be 8 squares. So let us see how we will be representing. ಒಂದು binary value ಬರುತ್ತೆ 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0. Like in the truth table ಅಲ್ಲಿ first 3 columns ನ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ represent ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Then min terms ಅನ್ನ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ and then the designated terms ಅನ್ನ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು represent ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So let us see how we can represent that. So as you can see here, there are only two ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ನ represent ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ y ಮತ್ತೆ z ನ represent ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. There are 4. As I told you, one variable ಇದ್ರೆ 2 combination values, 0 or 1. 2 variable ಇದ್ರೆ 2 to the power of 2 is 4 combination of values. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4x ಮತ್ತೆ y, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ನ represent ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ y ಮತ್ತೆ z ನ represent ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So let's get started and let's see how we can represent it. So here we are representing x. Here you are representing y and z. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ x represent ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Here it will be y and z. Just a minute. So today's now we can see the K map for 3 variables. So let us see how we can represent it. So here we will be representing x, and here we will be representing x and y and z. So y and z. So here we will be representing x. This is y and z. So here we will be representing x, and this will be y and z. So x can be 0, that means x bar, and x can be 1, so it will be x. So here y can be 0, y can be, z can be 0, so it will be x, y bar and z bar. Then 0 1, that is y can be 0 and z will be 1. Next ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ change ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So here actually comes y z bar ಬರಬೇಕು, but we will be writing y and z, and here you have to represent y and z bar. So that is, this will be x bar, that is 0, and this is x, that is 1. So this will be y bar z bar. That is 0, 0. Then it is 0, 1. Andre y bar z. That is 0, 1. Next actually 1 0 ಬರಬೇಕು ಆದರೆ 1 0 ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So we have to change. So 1 0 will come here. 1 and 0. That is y will be 1 and 0. Here it will be 1 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. y z. ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That is 0, sorry 1 1. So this will be x bar x. So this will be y bar z bar y bar z. Actually y z bar ಬರಬೇಕು ಬಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So it is y z and y z bar. So this will be So this will be 0 0 0 0 x 0 y 0 z 1 x 0 y 1 z 1 x 0 y 1 z 0. So this will be x is 1 y is 0 z 0 x 1 y ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ನೋಡಿ 0 1 x is 1 y is 1 z is 1 x 1 y 1 z 0. So this will be x bar y bar z bar. So this will be x bar y bar z x bar y z, and this will be x bar y z bar. So this will be x y bar z bar x y bar z x y z x y z bar. Then here the midterms would be, say nodi m0 m1 m2 ಬರಲ್ಲ, m2 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, m3 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ರೂಲ್. ಇದು ನೀವು ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈಡ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. m3 ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ m4 m5 m6 ಬದಲು m7 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, m6 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. So m0, m1, m2 and m3 are interchanged. Last 2 columns will be interchanged. m4, this is m4, don't get confused, this is m4. Let me write it properly. So this is so m4 m5 m6 ಬದಲು m7 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. like this. Kindly have a look. This is the general K map. It is called. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ನಾವಿನ್ನು simplification start ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. We are just writing the general K map. General K map, two variable SOP. So here we are using general K map three variable SOP or min terms. So ಇದು 3 marks ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದು general K map. ಇನ್ನು simplification we will be doing in coming chapter, coming sessions. So today's session we learn about the general K map. How to draw general K map for three variables. Three variables are 2 to the power of 3, 8 min terms ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So we have written, today we learn to write general K map for three variable min term. Three variable min term ಅಂದರೆ 8 terms ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Each term ಒಂದು square ಅಲ್ಲಿ represent ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. And next class we will learn about how to represent four variables in a general K map. ಹೇಗೆ represent ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. So hope today's session you have understood. ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. Maps you have to start writing, then only you will understand. Thanks for your patience listening. Have a great day ahead.